All right, y'all. So I just walked out with 316 hours, which is three. Girl, yes, I am recording my 316 hours. No. Come on. 316 hours. I can stop today if I want to, but I'm gonna come next week, at least a couple days. And I got all my sign off, so I am good to go.
But she still can't leave us. I'm gonna say good.
Y'all, we are here. Hurry up.
I think there's literally gonna be like 5 of us tomorrow.
I know I'm gonna be here.
The you, the 3.